Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME V60 Pro and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. And here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case it was 1 hour and 41 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the settings and the Chrome. So basically all you have to do is to check some further details, is to tap directly inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the activity details in particular days of the week. You can compare them, and under it you've got the list of used apps and the specific time you've spent on them. And you can also tap directly on the app, so for example the settings, and thanks to it you will be transferred again to the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.